Hey, how's it going, YouTube? Today I will be opening up and reviewing the Power Rangers Beast X Morpher. So first, I'm going to take a look at the packaging here. So here's the front. Here's the opening where the Morpher is. A picture of the Red Ranger. There's also a Trami here. Reacts voice, sound, and motion. Beast Morpher logos there. Here's the side. Features the Red Ranger. On the other side has the Yellow Ranger. Here's the back. And here's the bottom. And let's try out the Trami button.
Hey Ranger, move me around. Unleash the beast.
Nice. So let's get this bad boy open, shall we? Alright, and here is the Beast Morpher. Let's take a look at the details on it. Now it's bigger than I expected. Now this will be my first ever Morpher. So I'm really excited to have this one. I really love the design of it. I'm just starting to get into the Beast Morpher series. So yeah. So let's test it out here. Oh, and here's the instructions. Let's take a look at those really quick. It says, to unlock other characters' sound and phrases, look for additional MorphX keys sold with Power Rangers figures. Now, I also purchased the Red Ranger, which I will be unboxing in the next video. So, here is just explaining how to attach it to your wrist, how to activate beast mode, flip on the switch, and push the sides. When prompted, say it's morphin' time, and you shake it and it has different sounds. Here it tells you how to replace the batteries. Takes AA batteries. And here it shows how to use the keys. So let's test it out. So here's the on and off switch. Let's see here. All right.
Let's go. Rangers, it's go time. Unleash the beasts. It's morphin' time. It's morphin' time.
Nice.
Let's go.
Very nice. This is nice. So it also includes these keys here. So let's test them out. Goes in here.
Let's go! Rangers, it's go time! Defenders of the grid! It's morphin' time! Let's go! Rangers, it's go time! Unleash the beasts!
Nice. Let's test out the red key. Alright, the red key.
Nice to see you, Rangers! I'm a real cut-up! Nice to see you, Rangers! Not today, Rangers! I'm a real cut-up! The Morphex is mine!
Nice. Has very good sound as well.
Nice to see you, Rangers!
Very cool. So let's test out the green key.
I'm not a real human. I'm much better. I'm the better Red Ranger. I'm not a real human. I'm much better. Not today, Rangers. I'm the better Red Ranger. The Morphex is mine!
Very cool. And it also has this feature. It's a button, this red button here. You press it.
Are you ready? Say it's morphin' time.
It's morphin' time. Very cool. Nice. I love this. I'm very happy with this purchase. Let's cut it off here. Now, if you're into Power Rangers, I highly recommend this. It's very cool, very detailed, has great sound. I can't wait to buy the other Rangers so I can get the other keys. I have the Red Ranger, which I will upload and do a review on that figure and test out the key with the Morpher. So, thank you for watching and have a great day. Take care.